Now my replace value we have to give here. So I'm giving here that power. So now go and close it. Click on commit, you will get that one. So this is how PowerSoft. Simple thing. So replace is the simple thing. So these are all the sum of the function. We will come back to this. So because those are all the very basic level. So from here, just understand. So real time scenarios. So now I want to know about the date. So date, year, month, and that one you have to give, and the time also there. So you have to give time function. So first let me make you understand this date and time function. So those we are going to use in the real time. Now just observe only. The basics we will understand later. Why time waste. So go click on new column. So date function, what you are going to do, just a date only. So you have to give input year, month, and day. So for example, this is 2025. This month is 10th, and this day is something 22. So go close it. So did I give any string over here? No. So that is only, remember, whenever you use date, so it is not going to take you, your input as a number, but some date function is allowing you to give that number only inside. So it will execute, no errors, that is fine, but that is keep in mind. So I have given only the date, but it is giving you time also. So whenever your date starts, so I don't want this time, only date I want. So do we have any option to change it? Let's check it now. Select your column first, then go to the column tools. Here there is the data type is there, or you simply go to the format here, click on the drop down over here, whatever the format that you want to see. For example, I want to see this format. The moment you click on it, it will go convert into that format. So this is how simple. So now I have given my input as a number only. I haven't given any text, which means any string, but my output I can see string also. So that is how you can change your format. So just observe. The same thing time also, do one thing. So one more column, create it. Go to the table tools. Time here, time function. So hour, minute, seconds that you need to provide. For example, now current time is 11. So what you need to do, separate only with comma, nothing else. And 08 minutes, something seconds I'm giving. Go close it, go and execute it. You can get that time. So time along with date also coming. Is it right format? No. So whenever you write some logics, you have to remember that. So how your function is going to apply. Then what you need to be changed. So here that selective column first, the same procedure, go to the column tools. So instead of going to format here also you can do it, only time you can select. So go last, you will get the time only, hours, how you want. So 24 hours AM, PM like that you want. So the moment you click on it, it is going to give you that output. But what I have given here the input, even seconds also there. But it is not, showing you seconds. So based on your formatting that you can see your output here. So that is only thing, just remember. The similar function is there, another similar functions, that is set of function, that is the date value and time value. So date value, time value, what it is going to do, whenever you want to give input as a string, but your output, both are all the similar. Whatever you want to see, that you can see. But sometimes whenever we write the logics in the DAX formulas, so we allow to, give that string format. Sometimes we allow to give that number format. So whenever your DAX formulas is allowing you to write the string format only, so in that cases, you just use date value function instead of the date function. So that is only a slight difference, but output is the same. But your input values is only the different thing. So time value also the same. Just observe. So what I do, again go here, create the new column. So date value function, your function name is also date value. So observe here that inside you have to give date text. So that is only just to keep in mind. So fine. Next observe. So I'm giving here the same format 2025. I want October. I can type here now. So October I can give. So because I already put them into string format. So my date is now 22nd. Okay, fine. No errors. If you get errors, you can see here errors. That is also there. Okay, here also giving you the same. But did you observe the moment I have given in the string format, but output will be the number. So your output will be same. So here also whatever we applied here also same, here also same. But here what we did, format only we have changed. Here directly your output you will get like this. So for example, you want to see only the date format. You don't want like this string. So what you do, select your column, go to the column tools. So instead of going to change here the format, I want to change here the data type. So data type, I want to give only the date. So you just observe, you will get only the date. So this is complete string that is coming. Now if you want to change the format, now you go here and change it. So the way you want. So for example, I want like this format, you can give simple thing. So that's okay. Some of the, something you just remember. This is important interview question. What is the difference between now and today? So remember, not only here in your Excel also, this is important, now and today. So fresher level, it is just like a laddu question. Observe, what is the now function do? What is the today function do? Then what is the difference between them? Just observe. So go same, go to the create new column. Here it is, I'm giving the now function. So your function name is also now. Hit the tab. So no need to give any input inside that braces. So no input, just only now function. Now means now only. So just observe after you are checking with the today also. So this is now giving you. Now what it is giving you, date, month, year and time also, whatever the time that is there in your mission only. So the time only it is going to take. Now let me check with the today. So go and create that one more column for the today function. So today simple thing. Go and click on commit. Observe here output. So it is also giving you month, date, year and time also. But what today is giving you? Today is giving you whenever your day starts. So every day starts 12 a.m. But now is giving you time. So whenever they are trying to ask you in the interviews, what is the difference between now and today? So now is going to use that whenever you want to get that exact time. So if the time it changes, it is going to change. So whenever you go refresh it. So today is going to give you starting that particular day of the hour. But usually today we are using that whenever we want to stop that particular day. So if our business is going to stop that, yesterday. So which means that till last, 12 a.m. So now is going to, it is continuous. Even your business is running now also, it is going to retrieve the data. So remember, simple thing. So whenever you try to explain in your interviews, remember that. Now what I want to take that day function and week number function, weekday function. So now slowly enter into the some real-time scenarios, observe. So very simple one. So now what I want to do, so go and create new column. So far we have given something input, but all your column is populated with the same, whatever you have given the input. Now what I'm doing here that, so I want to extract the day only out of my column. So for example, here observe. So once you go here from this order date, I want to extract only the day or month, anything. So from this, I want to extract only the day. What I do, just use the day function, just whatever the column name you just type here. So no need to give any input. Your input is your column name only. That column name is order date. So this is the order date, observe. I'm just closing it. So your column name is only the order date. Then why we are going to take this one? So because of the, you have to pointing from which table that you are going to, pointing this column. So what it is going to understand Ax formula, whatever the function that you use, after that you need to provide the address. So this is the address. This is the address. and this is your column name. So this is only thing you just remember. Now go click on OK. You just observe from this column we are only extracting the day only. So we already seen such kind of the scenarios in your Power Query editor. So here also you can extract by using the DAX formulas. Remember. So total 31 days for every month. So maximum 31 days only. So based on your month, you will get days like this. The same manner month also you can extract. The same thing. Year also you can extract. So for your practice, I'm writing this year only. Year function you just use. So I'm directly writing this order date. So order date is coming from which table? Your orders table only. Go close it. Click on commit. You will extract year. So now observe here that the moment you click on it in the real time, you will understand till what date you have data. So mostly we are going for the year wise, quarter wise. So this is how you can understand in your real time. So to check your data, whether it is the historical data or new data. Current data means till 2025 is there, still running till the date. So this is historical data. Technically we used to call in our real time 2014, 15, 16, 17 only. Till there only our business stopped. There is no business. We have closed like that. Simple thing. Month also you can extract the same way. So just type here that month of your order date. So just hit the enter. You can see the month. Number of month only it is coming. Fine. This is how you can do. The week number, if you want to extract, you can extract the same way only, nothing bigger. Functions that are there, you have to observe only. Week number, your function name is also week number. So you just give your order date. So that don't give this extension. So let it be. So we will discuss about that extension whenever we require in the real time scenarios. So this is how the total 54 weeks which we have, 53 or 54, whatever it is, you will extract it. For example, what is the current week that you can extract from here. So that's okay. Let me check with the weekday also. Weekday means just observe here that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday like that, which we have. Weekday, what it is going to give you, your input only order date. So only one column you just select wherever the date field that is there. Go close it, hit the enter. So this is the weekday. Observe. So how many days that we have? 7 days per week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday like this, till Saturday. Fine. Now your scenarios is going to start. Now what I want here that weekdays that is there, fine. Now I want to know about my business to understand that weekdays. So slide thing just observe here. Now what I want, so weekday that is fine. I want to see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday like that. How you are going to make the format, observe here. The same thing only weekday it is here. I'm going to create the new column, observe. From here focus more. So real time one. Weekday names. So I don't want to see numbers like this. I want to see weekday numbers. So what I do, so your function is weekday of your order date. Right, order day. This is your order day. Just to close it. Now I'm going to click on commit. You just observe. You will see numbers here like this 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. I don't want like this. I want Sunday, Monday, Tuesday like that. What I am doing here that I'm going to extend somewhat one more function, that is the format function. Just use format function, hit the tab. So open brace. Then here at the end just give comma. So just use double quote. Then give triple D. Then close it. Observe. Nothing bigger. We already know this much. What we extend? Only we have given the some format. I want to see that format in the text format output, not number format. So go click on commit. You just observe here. So this is how you get. So you know already that. So whenever you are going to check here, weekday means 1 means Sunday, 5 means Thursday, 5 means Thursday, here 3 means Tuesday. You know that much information. That is only the thing. Just observe. Next one, observe here. I don't want this shortcut like this. I want full name Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like that. In that cases, what I'm doing, the same thing. So I just going to add here that one more D. Simple. Go and click on commit. You will get that full name. Observe here. So observe here. Let me click on the new column. You will enable this one. Observe. So this is how full name you can get. The moment you click on it, it is editable. Your DAX formula is edit based on your column, whatever you get. So this is how you get Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Now fine. So every time whenever you write some, DAX formulas, you have to go for the, drop down. You have to check all days are coming or not. So for example, same manner, what we do, month we already extracted from here. So 12 months. So what I'm doing for the month also, I want to, give that one. So what I do, go and create that new column. So month of, so what you do, so month function, so your column name, order date. Simple thing, go close it. The moment you click on commit, you will get the month numbers. So this name already there. So whenever you get like this, you have to change your name. So for example, what I am doing here, that I am using that month name. So click on OK. So this is how you get number output. So total 12 months that are there. Fine. Now I want to change this into the format. So what format I want to give? The format of here for the month, same thing only. So we have to give small m 3 times. Now go and execute it. Now observe here your output. Let me click on one more new column. So observe here. This is how the formula we have written. Are you getting all the months? Jan is coming. So we have to check your time. Don't confuse that. Whenever you get output, don't think that it is correct. So always go to the drop down here. So here observe here only 2 months that are coming. So now next step, what you do in the real time. So whenever you find such things, don't confirm that that is only the months that are available. You go to that particular column, whatever the column, order date that you have given over here in the formula. You go and check. So observe here, July is there, December is there, April is there, October is there. Almost all months is there. But here when I write the some logic over here, that you get only the 2 months. So that is why every time you go and cross check it. Now what I do, so I'm just removing here the order date. Now let me observe. I'm not pointing to any this one table name. So I'm only giving that order date. From that order date column only, I want to extract only the month. Let me check it out now, whether I can get the exact output or not. Now go and check it. Still you are not getting. So now what I do, let me check with the month only. Wait. Format of month of your order date. Let me give only your table name only. Let me check it. Now let me check it out whether it will give you right result or not. Go and click on the new column, that will enable now. Now it's throwing error. So go here, month name, select it. This is not right way. Expression refer the multiple columns. Okay, fine. Now what I do, let me give here that order date only. So now let me check it whether it will give you right result or not. Now observe, you get all the 12 months. So if you want a full name, so what you do here, just add one more M only, just the way we have added that one more D for the date. Simple thing. So go and execute it. So let me add the one more column to enable it. Okay, fine. So select it. You just observe that drop down. You get the all the months. You check total 12 months. Fine. So now I'm going more further for the real-time scenario. From here, focus more. So that is the basic where we can use it. Now what I want here that, so my scenario is, I want to know about that weekend and weekdays. Whether today is the weekday or weekend, I want to know. In the same manner, what you do, so whenever we go for the outing or any shopping, we usually go for the Saturday and Sunday. So which means that more business is going to turn over on the Saturday, Sunday instead of the weekdays. So for that matter, the final one, we have to check that whether the weekend particular day is considered as a weekday or weekend. We have to write the DAX formula. Just let me, the decode it. So before equal to, that is only the your name of column. So you can freely choose any name. After equal to, you have to focus more. So now what I did, so whenever I use the weekday of your order date, it is going to give you day, that particular day, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, till 7, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday like that. So if my weekday is equal to 1, which means 1 means here. So we already see what is the 1 means here, Sunday. So if I want Saturday, Saturday means 7 only. So we have given that name only here format. So here output is only the number 1, 2, 3, 4 till 7, only weekdays. Now my logic is I want to write that I want to get only the whether it is considered as a weekend or weekdays. So now observe the weekday of your order date, you already know you will get only the number output. So if this is going to equal to 1, which means Sunday, this is Sunday. So this is pipeline R only. You just use double pipeline. So which means R. So again I'm writing this is Sunday. Enter this logic. And one more weekday I'm writing the same logic is equal to 7. 7 means Saturday. So your entire weekday is equal to 7. That means Saturday. Then whatever these two conditions is satisfied, then that consider as a weekend. So after this you just give comma, that means else. So remaining days, whatever it is not equal to 1 or 7 in this logic, that is considered as a weekday. Simple. Just observe here, simple thing. Now first let me create that weekend and weekdays, otherwise let it be first. So my scenario is weekend or weekdays. Observe what I'm doing. If my weekday, so let me make a weekday only. Observe first, understand weekday. So what we have given input, order date only. From order date only we have dates. Just to close it till here already. So go click on commit. You will get weekdays number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are all the weekdays. If my logic is equal to 1, that is Sunday. My logic is equal to 7, that is Saturday. So Saturday, Sunday is the weekend. That is only the output thing. So what I am using here, that this is equal to, for example, I am giving 1. Am I getting any error? Let me click on commit. Observe. So wherever there is the Sunday, it is going to give you true. So let me write. Otherwise, let me drag this front. Can't able to drag it. Let me write one more one. So let it be that logic. We will write it. So day name, I'm going to write it. How to write that? Format of your weekday. So whatever that is their column, you just select just before we have written. So that's why I'm writing very fast on this. Write it next time. I'm giving here that D4 times. Go close it. Just execute it. You can understand here the day. So click on next. Okay. Now observe. So now observe here. So this is the logic we are going to write weekend and weekdays. This much we have written. So this is equal to 1. That means Sunday. Wherever Sunday is there, it is going to give you true only. Observe. So Sunday only it is going to give you true. So remaining things it is going to give you false. For example, here if I give 7. So go click on commit. Wherever Saturday that is there. So for example, Saturday it is here. Observe. It is going to give you true output. Now observe. Let me write the logic. So if my weekday is equal to 1. So I'm going to use that pipeline. So which means R. Again, I'm going to write one more logic that is there. My weekday. So your order date is going to close equal to 7, which means Saturday. Just to give comma. Now, whatever these two logics that is, satisfied. So this is considered as a weekend. Saturday, Sunday, else, give comma only, else. So this is weekday. Go close it. Simple thing. So here comma means else. So no need to write else. Just like if this statement is true, output will be this one. Otherwise this one. Simple thing. Go click on commit. Now observe here. So this is giving wherever Sunday is there, it is going to give you weekend. Wherever Saturday is there, it is giving you weekend only. So remaining days, you will get that weekdays only. So you observe Friday is the weekday. Tuesday is the weekday. Just like this, you go and observe. Now, how it is going to help you? I'm going to this one, report view. Here the report view, what I'm doing here that. So I have written that one weekday and weekend. I'm taking the chart. So this is the chart. Go and expand it bigger size. So let me minimize it. Where we have written that logic, weekend and weekdays, bring that into your axis. Simple. Now I'm going to bring the sales. Bring that here. You just observe. So going to turn on your labels over here. So this is how. So which means that weekday is only 1.55 million. So your weekend days 0.74. How many days for the weekend? Only 2 days. Weekdays 5 days. 5 days of your total business is almost half of your business is done by weekends only. So this is how you just understand to the end users. So the client can understand whether their business is turnover is good at the weekdays or weekend. So this is how whenever you have the less items, this is very easy to understand by the client. So by looking at this chart, not only this chart, for example, I'm going to take some other chart. So the same thing, I'm going to click over here that. So this is also can give you better analysis. So this is giving you not only the number that you have, how much percentage contribution that is coming from weekdays and weekend also you can find out from here. This donut chart. So this is how. If the client is asking you only show the numbers, go to the table chart. This is how only giving you number only. So not only the sales, you can take the profit as well. So what you do here, the sales, I'm going to click on cross button, go take the profit only. So this is how you can show only profit values. The simple thing that you can do by using that one. Now next scenario, observe. The next scenario, what I want to use. So this is same scenario, but another logic I have applied. Let it be. Next, I want to see instead of the going to take that sales value, all the things. I just wanted to see only the what is the total sales value for the weekend only. So now one more function I'm introducing you. Just observe. So you already know weekday of your order date equal to 1 means Sunday. Pipeline I'm using R, and again I'm writing the logic for the Saturday. So this is comes under the weekend. I want to know only these 2 days values only, sales values in the real time. For example, only your client is coming to ask you only show me that weekend sales only. I don't want weekdays and comparison. What you do? So you just use that calculate. This is the one more function which is there. It is going to calculate it. Now here, whatever the column that you want to do it. So usually we are going to sum means aggregation, sum minimum, maximum, average. These are all already statistical functions that are there. So from this sum, I'm going to total I want to count. Where you want to count? Whatever the weekends that is there that you want to count. Simple thing. Just observe here. One more thing what you need to observe. I'm going here. So till now, whatever we have, write the logics. It is there the columns, new column that is there. For example, here, you just go check here. Here the column names also there, whatever the column names that is there. Your data is also there, column names also there. So this is how we have created by using that new column. Now I want to introduce you new measure. What is the new measure will do? Observe here. The moment you click on the new measure, the same thing, same DAX formula that you need to write. Nothing is there. But by default, it is giving you measure. Now observe here that output, your output logo is the calculation. So it means calculator. So other one just giving you function. So whatever the function that you have applied. Now observe here that. So for example, I'm going to count the total sales. Total sales, what you do? I'm using that sum aggregation. So based on the column. So what column that I want to take? Only sales column I want to take. Let me take sales. Total sales I want to count. Just to type here that sales. It is going to give you your table name and column. Go and close it. Click on commit. Are you adding any new column over here? No. So anything make changes on the sales column? No. So now one more observation you observe under your the table. So are you getting that column name, whatever your column name you have given here in the DAX formula? Total sales. Yes, we get it. Then where is the data? So whenever you go for the measure values, it is going to measure that value. That is only you can see visualization. You can't see in the text data here, table format. Only add column only you can see. Just like that we have seen that transform data in your Power Query editor. The same manner here also applied. But here somewhat hidden. If you want to see the data, go here. So whatever that is there, you just bring here to here. So this is how you get the data. Simple. Total weekends only this one is. Weekend. So this is total sales, not weekend. So now let's write the logic for the weekend only. So now same thing only I'm going to write it. So here profit anything you can take. I just introduce you how you are going to write, how the logic applied for the new measure. Now I'm going to write that this real-time scenario. So weekend sales. Let me write here only weekend sales. This is column name only. You can write anything. Just give equal to. So now first let me write that logic for the weekend. Weekday of your order date. So this is sales coming. So you can't get like that directly, you have to write. So what you do? So you have to calculate function. So whatever you are going to calculate. For example, I'm going to calculate that sum of my sales value I want to calculate. So this is close the brace. Now here you just apply the logics. Alt enter is going to give you new line. Now I'm going to write that logics. That logic is, let me write weekday of your order date. Story where it is, here it is, fine. This is going to equal to 1, that means Sunday. So now I'm going to use pipeline, that is R, and one more condition I need to provide, that is weekday of your order date. So going to equal to 7. So go close it, and one more close. So what this logic, earlier we have given that weekday and weekend. Now you don't need to give. So you are in the measure. So now your measure, you are going to focus on what you are going to measure it. So based on the condition that you have given. Now observe. Go and click on commit. So here you can see that name of your column, only weekend it is coming. And this symbol is giving you measure, new measure you have created. So no more columns here going to create here. Fine. Now to check that one, go to the visualization. So this is total sales value. Now same thing, I'm dragging this one, only weekend, where it is. Only weekend sales, drag and drop here. Just observe. This is only the weekend, Saturday, Sunday sales. This is total sales. This is how you go and check it out in your real time. The next one, observe here. So this scenario is also the same. This scenario is also the same. This is month, quarter, year, some basic one. So month, quarter, hour also you can extract. These are the basic one. You just observe. Seconds also you can take it out. The functions, different functions. These are all the basic level, not real time. Observe. Month we have check how to extract the month. So quarter we try to extract it. The same thing only. You just go here, new column. So your function name is quarter, and you just give your input as a order date. Simple thing. Go close it. You will extract only quarters. So for every year we have 4 quarters. You can extract that 4 quarters only, simple. So this is how. Fine. The next one, hour, year, month, these are also you can extract. So year we have extracted already. So hour, I will try to show you how to extract it. Minute and seconds you can write out from your end. So nothing is there here. This will take tomorrow. So till here, minute and second, you just try it out. Hour, I will show you. Only function only, you just try it out. So whenever we writing the some bigger logics, that time it is going to help you. So our function of, you just give only the date, only order date. But whenever you apply this hour, minutes, seconds, you column must have the date. Where it is, order date. So go close it. It will give you that hour. So everywhere there is the 0 hour that is going to give you. Otherwise, let me give no input. Is there any hour contains? No. Select this column. Now go to column. Here, let me change this to date and time. It's not changing format. Now it is changed. Now go and check it whether it is giving you any hours or not. No, it is not giving. Let me recommit. Okay, fine. What you do? So our function date time is not there. Okay, let it be. Otherwise, let me give day or month. Let me give now function. Now you can get it. Okay, fine. So now function, you know already that. So it is going to give you that date and current time, whatever the time of your mission. So now I'm going to apply the hour. Fine. This you might get confused. What you do now, I'm going to write that hour. So hour of, I'm giving now only. Now means now also function is there. So what I did, function inside the function. So now it is going to take you all this column. So from this, it is going to extract only hour. Simple. This column name is already there. Fine. 11 it is coming. Current hour. Minutes also you can extract. A simple thing. The moment you replace it to minutes, it is going to extract. Seconds also you can extract. You can see here. You might not see the seconds, but here you can see the seconds. Go and extract it. You can see that seconds also particular. Okay, fine. Current 12 seconds something. So this is nothing is there. These are all we will discuss. Those are all more real-time scenarios. Slowly, step by step, understand the wherever we have pending some this one we will check it. Replace we know. Find also the same thing. It is going to find something. So you give find function. So you can give whatever the word that is there inside. So it is going to check whether it is there. So if it is there, it is going to give you true. Otherwise, it is going to give you false. Find and search also the same thing you can observe. So both are all we will try to do it. What is the difference between find and search function? Observe here. So whenever we write very big logics, that time only these small functions very useful. That is why. Find function, your function is also find. You have to give input text something. Let me give I. So now my text is I am giving the India. Okay, let it be till here. Let me close it. So no errors. Go click on. So this is fourth letter. You just observe. So how it is going to find the character 1, 2, 3. Fourth letter is the high, but first is also I is there. So is it case sensitive or not? That is only we just observe. So what I am doing, I am just giving that interval. I don't want that this last one. I want to first one. So for example, let me give like this. So find function again. It is giving you 4. It is giving you 4. Now what I am doing simply here, I am giving small I only. So because here I have given small I, so you have to understand whether it is case sensitive or not. That is only the thing. So observe. So now I'm just removing this one interval. So go and click on commit. Still it is giving you 1. Come on. Okay, fine. Observe. So this is how search also do the same. So observe. For example, I don't want first I want second I. You have to give that interval. For example, I'm giving here that 1, 2, 3. After 3 I want, after 4 I want, something like that only. Observe, fourth character is the I. It is matching. So for example, if I give search also, you just observe search function. So it is going to search the same thing only, slight difference you just observe. It is also giving you 4. For example, I am giving here capital I am removing this one interval. Now observe. So it is not considering that whether it is the case sensitive or not, small I or capital I. Search is going to help you that whenever you use that, whatever the letter that you want, small or caps. So that is only the difference, find and search function. Nothing is there. The next one fixed. Fixed should be the decimal point whenever you want to extract the some decimals only. So nothing is there. Let me observe. So we know decimal points. That is very important in the question. In your Power Query Editor, 3 types that are there. Go and check it out. So I'm going to use that fixed one. For example, I'm giving that some number. So how many the digits after the decimal that you want, you have to give here. That is only the thing. I have given 0. Let me check output. So only exact number it is giving. For example, if I give here the 2, it is going to give you 2 decimals. Simple. Fine. Is there anything pending? This is value only, data type. Sometimes you have to give the text format input in that DAX formulas. That is only allow you to write. So if you give numbers, it won't allow you. In that cases, what you can do, value function that is there, you can give input as a text. And another one, trim, we can check it out. So go to the new column. So value function. So inside input, you have to give text. 4, 5 I have given. Go and execute it. Still no errors. Let me check it out. Are you getting? Yes. So for example, if I use the string also, can I get it output or not? Go check it out. You still get. So this problem is when you get the same thing, the date function we have already checked. So go that use that date function, go and execute it. Are you getting the output? Observe error. So that is the value of the value function. So whenever you want to use string, so you require to use string in that particular DAX formula, you can use such things. Simple. Overload, that's why it's going to hang. Fine. Next column, observe the trim function. Trim, you know already it is going to trim, nothing bigger. So I'm going to give some space over here. So I'm going to give here that Microsoft. Go click on commit. It is trim all the space. That much you know already. So it is trimming all the space. Usually if you give without trim, observe. So go and check it. See space still there. Observe space is there. If you want to remove that space only, you can use. So whenever you want to clean the data, that time only you can use. So before this, you just understand length function is there. We already check it. So you can observe whether it is going to count it or not. Space, whatever it is there, dots. Dots means each dot is one character. So 26. So now observe what I'm doing. So for this length, I'm using the one more function, that is the trim. Simple. Now go and close it again. So now observe how many characters of the length it will come. So this is how 9 characters. Observe Microsoft 9 characters. Simple thing. So this is all for the day. So no pending queries. So we will check tomorrow more real time